Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of Gbpjpy. Now this was the low of the market. From this low, this pair went up to this high, then came downward and did not break this low. As this low was not broken from the above level, the market went up and broke the previous low. So now let us see what is going to happen in this market. From here, this pair was going upward, and from here it made a downward setup. So this pair came downward, but this was the very important level where from it is being rejected. It has been rejected from when 155.350 it was touched on the 3rd January 2023. And if you remember, I have told that Bank of Japan is going to is starting its asset purchase program, and the yen will fall in the January. If you have seen my Euro JPY or Gbpjpy, Gbpjpy, different videos, in some of the videos in which I have given the sell of these pairs, I have told that the monetary policy of the JPY, Bank of Japan, is such a way that in the January the yen will fall. So it is happening. Policy wise, it is happening. We are looking, when we see the chart, it is same. It is we are able to see this. And the second thing, Bank of England wants to appreciate GBP. So from here it was going up and then came down here and didn't break this level. Now let us see the chart in this way. Yes. Zoom out. Now again we are zooming in. Okay. From here, now you see this is the setup. Now I don't think that this pair will come down more. And most of the important day for this pair is the 2nd February. This will be the day when GBP, Bank of England, is going to give its monetary policy. And in the UK, the inflation is very high. It is more than 10. That is 10 point something. I have mentioned in a video yesterday or day before yesterday, when I have shared the Gbpjpy pair, when I have analyzed the Gbpjpy, where I have mentioned the Canadian dollar and the policies of the Bank of England. So here, because the target is 2% and they have the inflation at 10%. Now they don't have any option but to increase interest rate to make their economy stable. Now one thing is very important that I want to share with you, and I hope that you will take advantage of. These currencies most of the time don't compete with themselves. Sometimes when any currency depreciates too much or appreciates too much, they do by adjust it, try to appreciate or depreciate it, but most of the time they are not competing with themselves. Not currencies are not competing. Every country has its own economic system. They compare. What they compare? They compare two things. First, inflation. What inflation is? Inflation, when the currency loses its value depreciates its value, it is called inflation. Because then people are forced to buy things costly and more cost. They pay more for it. And the other thing is CPI, Consumer Price Index. This is consumer. This is the uh, price wise price of the things that the purchasers buy. CPI is that price, and the inflation is the value of the money that it loses. So, what is the target of the banks? Their central banks. What do they try to do? Why do they make policies? It's their policy to maintain that currency according to their economy, not they compare with the other economies. Though this is world, we are all connected. They watch these levels and other currencies also, but their priority is their own people, own country. They have to stable there. Stable means they neither they want to appreciate it too much, nor they want to depreciate. They do not allow. But in the current situations, GBP, Bank of Japan, is forced to appreciate because of the inflation. They want to make their people that they could afford the things, because their currency GBP has lost its value. Inflation is 10.8 something, that's too high, and against it the Bank of Japan is keeping the interest rates in negative. So in these conditions, this is high probability that this pair will go up. Now this is the low of the market. This was the low of the market, this was the high of the market, then it came to retest this and broke this high, and it still is going up. Now where to enter in the trade and where to put the stop loss? Now this is the level. Entry is, I think it is better to enter here. But one thing is very important. What is important? Up to the 2 February, when the news is coming, what is expected that this pair will do before the 2nd February? Now let me take the bush here. Now this is going up. Okay. I think this will keep, not cross this, or even could come to this level. Maximum this, it won't cross, it won't come downward from this for these some days, because how many days are of the market? It is 25th today. So you count the days except the Sundays and Saturdays. How many days are? These days are expected to consolidate, I think, up to the 2, and it will shoot up on the 2nd February when the news will be coming. And you confirm also the news. Sometimes I forget, maybe, but I will confirm. But I have not seen the investing.com or forex.com. I have watched this on the Bank of England. So policy, when are they giving their monetary policy decision? That is the 2nd February, and the Bank of Canada is going to announce on the 25th. It's today. So it is very important day for Canadian dollars. All the Canadian pairs, there is need to be careful on the Canadian pairs today, because it is 25th. They are going to give their monetary policy today. Now let me put the long position. Now long position. Okay, the pair is going here. We can put it here and take profits. For take profits, now where these are the simple take profits are these, because the market will break this high now. I'm expecting that. And if you want to wait for something, you want to wait, okay. If you don't wait, but stop loss under this wick, let me put the stop loss at this level. And now it's all up to you. This is my analysis. What do you, whether you enter or not? But one thing is very important. Now I think it's quite clear. I am removing this now. Sometimes I set it. Otherwise, most of the time I struggle on this long and short positions. But now this is the stop loss entry here, or maybe you wait something at this 2nd February is very important. I think this breakout will happen before that. Then it will come back to retest this level, then shoot up. This is the scenario that I am expecting. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.